What's going on, everybody? As you see, we have the famous yellow box. This baby here came in, and let's take a look. Invicta is what we have. The box is definitely a nice box in the sense of it got some cushion in there, good nice yellow. And let's get into the watch though. Get you a nice card. Cool. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Good cutout. And into the watch itself. Here, as you see, this is the Submariner lookalike. 40 millimeter, actually. This is based off of the old actual model. Let's take that off. Got some stickers that we're going to be peeling off in the process. So, yes. Stickers everywhere. This is a 40 millimeter, as you see, silver stainless steel bracelet. This baby come off. This is the first time me even ever actually having this watch. So you're unboxing it with me for the first time. There we go. And we go rip some of these stickers off as we go. Alright, so Invicta is pretty much imprinted everywhere. As you see, you have the clasp lock here. It does go down, and then you got an extra safety. But I'm not so much in the, it's very tight. I guess you would want that, I guess. Stainless steel, but this is the actual polish finish. Alright, you do have the crown here with also the actual bezel being in that black and actual dial. Alright, so the clicks, as you hear, are definitely there. I'm not going to say it's Rolex, but this is actually decent considering, I want to say, the last watch that we actually did a review on. If you haven't, go watch the channel. Look at the difference between the polish with the sticker on and not. So we're not going to sticker this whole watch because we'll be here forever. But I just want you to see it in the process of the unboxing. Alright, so as you see, like I said, stainless steel bracelet. Golly, this thing is crazy on here. As I say, why can't the big dogs actually send you watches with stickers on it? But all of these cheap brands, quote unquote, more budget friendly prices, are going to send you a watch that actually is completely covered, secure, and you can do the unstickering. Anywho, we see the bracelet there. This is actually crazy on here. It's making me upset because I want us to see the difference. As you see, I'm actually being pretty rough with the bracelet itself, and it's holding on. So that's a good thing. Good sign right there. Quick wrist check. We do have the actual Sky Dweller on Rolex, but we gonna take that off for the video, of course. And it's crazy. Do you see the retail price of this thing? $495. Stop it. This crown here is not a screw down crown, and you do have a full case back. So this is solid, not open. As I said, 41 millimeters. Let's slide this on the wrist. And just kind of see how it feels on, how it looks on. You let me know what you think in the comment section. I do notice that the famous Invicta sign is on the wrist. I guess if you're wearing a shirt that has sleeves, you'll be alright. If not, you definitely Invicta stamped for sure. Couple links will have to be removed, but overall this actually sits pretty low on the wrist considering the price point. You won't believe how much. Under $100 for this watch. Got it on sale. And actually, believe it or not, this is the actual Quartz model. So this isn't even the automatic version. So this one was like 65 bucks, something like that. Under $100. Crazy. You add the price points and the taxes and all of that stuff, you under 100 bucks. Class, not a fan of. But overall, the watch to me for $65 plus tax, shipping, all that stuff like that, whatever. You got you a decent watch for what you're trying to go for. Like I said, if you're going for just the look of an actual Rolex, okay. If you're going for the quality, if you're going for the actual luxury side of it, I would not necessarily say this would be the best option. All right, so just quickly, we're going to go over just the band width, which is 20 millimeters. Of course, like I said, we have a fold over clasp. The dial itself is black. All right, analog, the crystal is a flame fusion, and the hands are also luminescent. So that's a pretty good factor within the watch itself. So we're going to get a little closer as we get into some details. We're going to make this review as quick and smooth as possible, but also detailed enough to where you're ready to find out more about this watch over time. Okay, crown there. Nice. This is not a screw down crown. All right, so pull the push crown, and this here is just a Quartz model. All right, so the caliber is a PC 32, and this is also a 200 meter / 660 feet water resistant watch, so you can actually technically go swimming, diving, whatever you need to do with this watch here. It's actually a pretty, like I said, for the money. Let me know in the comment sections, what do you feel? Is this a decent watch for $75, $100? And if you're going for just a good, looking watch versus an investment watch, if you want to call it. All right. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because we're going to be doing more content with this watch. Watch this.